Number 3, allow the process of elimination to take its rightful place in your journey. We start chasing after people that begin disappearing from our lives. Why haven't I heard from this person? Perhaps because Allah is making room for other people. They say relationships are like glass. Bad relationships are like glass. Better to leave the glass on the floor broken than to go back and pick it up and cut yourself. Sometimes leave them where they are. They don't call you, they don't text you, they don't come by and see you. Good. Sometimes we pay to get people out of our lives. You loan a person $100, $200, they don't pay you back, you haven't heard from them. You just paid to get the person out of your life. Don't go back asking them for your money back. Because when they pay you back, they're back in your life. I mean, it just makes complete sense. You just paid to get the person out of your life. And if all $100 did was get you out of my life, you don't deserve a space in my life. If that's all you were worth is $100, you burnt me for $100? Keep it. Because I just paid to get you out of my life. So allow the process of elimination to take its rightful place in your journey. You are going to lose people. You can't take everybody with you because everybody is not on your journey. You're going to lose some people in your journey to self-discovery. In your journey to self-evolution, you are going to lose some people. And you have to be comfortable with that. Well, this is a person I grew up with. So what?
This is a person I had kids with.
Yeah. Well. Woo. That's a whole other discussion. Thank you. The Prophet ﷺ, just to give you some reference, I have 2 more and I'm done. The Prophet ﷺ, he said that al-arwah junud mujannada, souls are like conscripted, recruited soldiers. Those whom they have an affinity towards, they will connect and find each other. And those whom they do not get along, then they will not find each other. So along your journey to self-discovery, self-evolution, you are going to come into contact with people on every single level. And it's very rare that you keep the same friends throughout your entire journey. Very rare. Look at people who are at the top of their game, successful. They may have 1 or 2 friends that are just truly authentic friends. They don't have a whole group of people, right, around them. And people like Allen Iverson had to learn that the hard way. You taking 17 dudes from your hood to every hotel and you buying them dinner, putting them on a flight, until the end of the road, you have much of nothing. All of those 17 people, where are they?